Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, when it comes to your retirement, you might have a few planning ideas, but ideas alone may not be enough. So Calvin, let's talk about some of the essential elements that you believe need to be included in a solid retirement strategy.
Sure. Well, first, building out a comprehensive retirement plan for retirement includes tracking the sources of income, seeing if they're guaranteed, will they adjust for inflation over time, putting the assets in the right drawdown order for how you should take the money out from each account over time. Most people are not sure what that is, and that can make a big difference on how long the money lasts in retirement. Making the right decisions on Social Security, getting the timing right. Too many people leave money on the table. Having conversations about health care, long-term care, and then organizing all of it with your estate plan. That's why planning for retirement is different from traditional financial planning, and that's why my team and I have created this retirement roadmap book and the kit around it for your viewers.
Right, and there are so many different elements here. There are so many pieces to think about. That's why this is a really comprehensive kit that you've built for us today.
That's right. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will be valuable to you.
Right, it's a really good first step. It's a great place to start. You can get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. It covers the essential elements of a solid retirement plan, like what we were talking about: income, taxes, Social Security, health care, and more. You can call, text, or go online to get yours now. Calvin, thank you so much for your time again here today.
Thank you, Jen.
All right, and thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report. Be sure to tune in again next week. We'll see you then.